CareLoop Health is a digital therapeutics company. Our mission is to transform healthcare for people living with severe mental illness. We use software to predict problems, prevent escalation, and that's namely relapse, and to personalise care to individual need. We are a spin-out of the University of Manchester, created to commercialise the clinical results of 5 trials conducted over the last 10 years. We're currently completing and launching our first digital therapeutic to treat psychosis.
Psychosis and schizophrenia affect about 1% of people, usually starting in early adult life. A lucky 1 in 5 get better fairly quickly, but 80% will have relapses over many years. What this means in terms of the NHS, for instance, is that most inpatient mental health beds is taken up by someone being treated for a relapse of psychosis. Medication can help with this, but it has side effects. Relapse, when it happens, usually comes on over a few days of prodromal symptoms. Because in usual clinical practice, people are only seen every 6 to 12 weeks, these symptoms are usually missed, so the opportunity for early intervention isn't there. CareLoop changes all this by daily symptom monitoring, targeting each patient's unique relapse prodrome.
We have developed a 3-part modular system comprising of a smartphone app patients use to record their symptom data using proprietary questionnaires, a repository for storing and processing patient data, and a web-based dashboard used for monitoring symptoms. Our platform uses industry-standard components and has been piloted in the NHS as a remote symptom monitoring tool. Whilst our first product is targeted at psychosis, we can integrate any disease-specific prediction algorithm, enabling us to target different patient populations.
We have shown that CareLoop is acceptable, safe, and feasible in practice. It can be built into electronic health records so that the clinical team can look at the data in real time at the team base. We have over 10 years of randomized controlled trials. These trials are difficult to do and cannot be hurried. Our most recent trial in the UK and Australia took 5 years to complete from start to finish. This means we're a long way ahead of our competitors. We showed that CareLoop, when teamed with modern community mental health services, reduced the 1-year relapse rate from 46% to 24%. No intervention has been shown to reduce relapse rates since the long-acting antipsychotic drugs in the 1970s.
As a company, CareLoop Health benefits from £2.5 million of investment in R&D conducted in the University of Manchester over the last decade. Our clinical evidence is unrivaled, with 5 successful randomised controlled trials, and as founders, we are a multidisciplined, strong team, expert in both clinical, commercial and technical fields. We're now seeking seed investment to turn a research tool into a market-ready commercial product and to gain regulatory approval here in the UK, quickly following that with the US and the EU. At which point we'll be ready to launch our digital therapeutic for psychosis to market. This will integrate our predictive algorithm, our CBT content and delivery algorithm into our core platform. Our digital therapeutic is the first step in realising our vision for transforming healthcare for people with severe mental illness. And we're looking for investors who share that vision and who can help us build our business both here in the UK and internationally. If you'd like to know more, then please get in touch.